These are the elevators. At the Hilton Garden in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Here. This is the housekeeping office 5. Ooh, this panel's loose. Listen to the motor though. Is that a dry powered motor? Cab view. Very nice cabs. Hello. Floor you going to?
Oh, lobby.
This panel's loose.
Huh?
Notice that the panel's loose on this one?
Yeah.
Yeah. It is. This elevator's not even that old. It's probably not even 8 years old. Sometimes these newer things, you know, tend to wear out quickly.
Mm-hmm.
In certain places, you know?
Yeah. I love the shirt.
Thank you. It's funny. Oops. Press the other door open button. That opened that one. It's funny. You coming up?
Yes.
What floor?
4.
4?
Oh, please. Oh. What are we?
419.
Have a nice day.
You too. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Look at that. Panel's loose. These things are so quiet. It's actually got a view up here. Here's a view down. Here the elevators. See if we can get the other one. There's May High. Hair's all over the place today. You could tell. Have very thick wavy hair. It's getting curly though. My hair's gotten very curly lately because it's so thick and wavy. Now it's thick and curly. But let's take a view down the guest hallways. There's one side, there's another. Here the elevators. This is a nice place. I'm staying in a cabin here. Wonder which one we'll get. Looks like we got the same one. We'll send this one down and attempt to get the other one. I think that we're getting the right one. Yep. This one's got a quieter chime. And this panel's not loose at all. G. Cabio. Just like the other one. Very nice. 88 compliant emergency phone. We're stopping on 4. I got the door.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You go on the ground?
Yes.
Anyone else coming?
That's Crockett's breakfast camp. We used to eat, remember the pancake house place we used to eat at?
They have pancake places.
Oh, it looks like we're gonna get more people because we just stopped at 2. I wonder if we're gonna have room in here. Come on in. Join the party. I got the door. Sorry.
Thank you.
Sorry if I accidentally kicked you. Have a nice day.